This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing a clean source. Hold the camera steady and frame only the text you need. This reduces noise and speeds processing. Once done, crop tightly and adjust brightness so letters are distinct from the background. Make sure the image is at least 1 megapixel and has minimal glare. Software performs much better with clear contrast. If possible, use a scanner or a high-res screenshot. Those give the best first pass for accurate word extraction. Now you run optical character recognition. Open your OCR tool, set the correct language and orientation, and pick a higher DPI or quality setting if offered. This produces cleaner character recognition. Start the conversion and watch for common errors like L/1 or O/0 substitutions. Once the text appears, scan for misspellings and restore punctuation. OCR often loses commas and accents. Make sure to preserve important formatting like numbers and line breaks, because they finish by exporting the recognized words to your preferred format, plain text, Word, or directly to the clipboard, so you can edit or search immediately. You should save the original image alongside the text for reference and future proofreading. If you plan to translate or feed the text into other tools, confirm encoding is UTF-8. Troubleshooting tip: if results are poor, rephotograph with diffuse light, increase resolution, switch OCR engines, or manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.